5. Now let's challenge that a little bit. Drop your hips off the bolster. Squeeze the bolster in. And at the same time, allow your legs to move a little further out. And then exhale, let's fold down. We'll hold. 1, 2, a little more down. 3. Protect the groin, don't overdo it. 4. We're going to hold for 8 breaths because we have a little support right now. 5. 6. 7. 8. That's good. Inhale, come up. Push the bolster away. All right. Walk the hips a little forward. And then interact with the ground. So I want you to engage the legs and take the fingers right in front of the thighs, hands to the hips, and roll the pelvis a little forward. Stay here. 1, 2, steady. 3, 4, almost there. 5, walk the feet a little in, roll through the hip joints and balance. Upavishtakonasana B.